this week for phys ed, we're going to work on the skill of juggling. There is cascade juggling, which is where you may have seen the equipment go in a circle, and columnar juggling, where we're going to try and keep the equipment dropping down in columns in front of us. So if you think of the big stately houses that used to have the big pillars out in front, we're going to try and keep 2 pillars down in front of us. When we participate in physical education, it's important to keep the equipment out in front of us as we are working. So we need to imagine those 2 columns out in front, use our peripheral vision, be in a athletic ready stance position. And what you're going to do is start just with 1 scarf to begin with. Many of you won't obviously have scarves at home, so then what you'll be using is to get a Kleenex. It looks very similar, and you'll be able to use that as your scarf, or you could use a plastic like Zehrs bag, grocery bag, some type like that, and that would also work. So you're going to take your first item, be it a grocery bag, Kleenex, whatever, and you're going to want to pinch it like it's in the very middle, like it's almost like a wedding veil over someone's face, or we also call it a jellyfish. We don't want to grab it from the end because it's going to drop very quickly. And I've got wind out here, so it's going to escape from me a few times, but you want to grab it like a jellyfish. And you want to think in front of your body that you've got your 2 columns, and we're going to start in the bottom low column on one side and imagine an X in front of us. And we're going to go from the bottom of the X on this side and bring it to the top of the X the other side. And all you're going to do is just simply drop it and let it drop down the column. Once you've done that, pick it up, make sure you're in the center again of the jellyfish, pinching it. And with your pinchers, you can use your first 2 fingers and thumb, pinch it. And then you're going to start always low, bring it across your body the other side this time, and drop down that column. Once that's easy enough, then we're going to again pinch again, so we have our jellyfish, and we're going to start by trying to catch it now. So we start low on the one side of the X, bring it up to the column, drop and catch. And we want to have it almost like it's a sneaky sea creature coming out. We don't want to grab it way up here. We want to try and keep it consistently in the middle. So we catch it in the middle. We're going to start on this side, bring it up, and catch, and so on. And with your outside, you're going to find that the wind will take it away from you. And so down, cross, catch, cross, catch, cross, catch, cross, catch. And once you've got that, that's the end of step 1.